Hello YouTube, this is Mrs. Gentlevader, and this is going to be a fairly long video because of all the stuff I have to show you. The first package came actually after, just a little bit after I left, and okay, it is a Terry Taylor package, so everything I'm about to show you is Terry Taylor. As always, the pictures will be at the end. You know how when you need to pay attention in class and you don't really pay attention? Well, I did not pay attention in class, so I have no idea where these came from or what happened or how he got them. So if you are wondering where he got all of these, you're going to have to ask him. But there's a lot of TNA and WCW cards here, and he even signed a couple of them, which I think is pretty cool. As the red rooster, and even put, you know, rooster on them. I think it just says rooster. Yeah, it does. This one's a little bit blurred, but a lot of them are kind of cool, and they have a little, like a head thing, like a rooster on the R, to make it look like that. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 Terry Taylor cards, which are amazing. They'll all be at the end. I would show them all to you right now, but easier just to look at them all later. Alright, and then this is the coolest part, and it is a Legends of the Ring figure. He signed it Best Wishes, Terry Taylor. Oops, oh that's good. Piece of hair on it. In red, which matches his shoes there, and his kneecaps. Good one. Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. And then he also signed an 8x10. It got a little curved in the box. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. Maybe I should do it this way. So, but it's okay. It says to William, your friend Terry Taylor, and then April 12, which is really neat. Thank you. Phil did not send that to them. And then the next is a package. I'm not sure exactly where he got these from. Again, did not really pay attention. We have Suicide, and this is a A32. I guess they're not really numbered. It's from the New Era. We've got Lacey Von Erich, X49. Yeah, LV Eric, of course. We've got this one. I like this one. Max and Jeremy Buck. Pretty nice. This is 23 out of 99. Fairly simple. Okay. Amazing Red, which I do like his signature. I just don't remember it being like this when we saw him at the show. This is A17. I don't know if they're all the same. They're probably all the same, but, and of course it's on tape. They didn't actually sign the card, which is annoying, but whatever. That's what they do. And then we have Brutus Magnus, Rob Terry, and Doug Williams. I always like to call him Douglas Williams, so I always like the full name. I don't know why. And this is an IA80. Maybe y'all know what that means, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do the ttms now, and I'll save the, I guess, the best for last. I don't know if it's best or not, but who knows. Okay, the first one, I tried to tell Mojave about it, and we're not sure exactly who this is. And he, of course, has the book. But he got it on May 11th while I was gone. And the guy did not write on the back, but there's 2 Rockers cards. These are big question marks. I have no idea who this is. My husband thinks maybe FCW, probably, I guess, but there's no telling. I think it's like a Troy, maybe, or Terry, Selma. Like, this one looks like an A, and this one that he signed underneath it is like, looks like a Selmshi, like a CI at the end. I feel kind of stupid saying this, but they look exactly different. Like, they don't look anything alike except for the T and the Y. Otherwise, it looks completely different. Which I understand, happens sometimes, just whatever. Okay, May 22nd from Tampa, Florida. This is Eli Cottonwood, and he signed 1 Rockers card. The back of it's a little smeared, but You know, and I'm not even sure what that's from. I think maybe he quickly signed his Topps Platinum cards and then put the spread on top of it, and that's what happened. But who knows? Okay, one is personalized to me. Thank you, Eli Cottonwood. Yay! It says best wishes, Eli. And then, oh, the Rackers card he signed Eli Cottonwood, and the Topps Platinum he signed with just Eli. Sergeant, thank you, question or exclamation point, and Eli on it. So it's kind of cool that we had the Rackers card, so we get his full name on something. Even though, you know, doesn't have a picture of him, still great. We have May 27th, Tampa, Florida again. We're pretty sure this is Damian Sandow, I think. You guys would be able to tell me who this is, but you don't have to tell me who it is, but I'm sure you would know better than me. Bless you, baby. And 2 Rackers cards. One says to Sergeant Norris, thank you for your service. The other one is just signed. And last but not least, I always love when they send little notes, and this one came with a note from St. Paul, May 29th, and it says, thanks for the nice letter. May God bless your days to come. It's a little happy face. I love happy faces. And this is from Molly Holly. And she did fill out the back of the Rackers card, so if you ever saw this video, Molly, thank you for doing that. Always helps. She signed Molly on the front with a little happy face in her white, and it says 2 times WWE Women's Champ, which is really cool. And even on the back she wrote other info: WWE Women's Champ, WWE Hardcore Champ. And she said the date signed was May 31st, and the letter or the envelope said that it was postmarked May 29th, which is kind of funny to me. Just interesting info if you're wondering. Okay, and then last but not least is something that my husband talked about it for like ever. I was like, I want to do this, I want to do this. And when we went to our TNA weekend, we got the grab bag, we got a figure that came with it, and it came with, like, you know, the Impact Wrestling t-shirt and a bunch of other stuff that I don't even remember now. Program was one of them, and the figure that we got, if you remember, or if you just watched the video, is a Kevin Nash figure. And we got it signed. What? Yep, it is signed in blue, and it says K Nash, because that's how he signs, I guess. K Nash. I'm sure he has a lot of stuff to sign, so. I couldn't find my husband's sleeves. Like, I don't even know where to find these card sleeves or whatever, because he always got them. I don't know if he got them online or Walmart or Target or whatever, so I'll have to talk to him about that. Sorry, we don't usually talk about sleeves when he does get the call. So, K Nash, we've got By the Numbers, TNA, Icons signature moves, signed in, you know, blue, and then we switched to Icons Sound Off, and he signed in silver, which is cool. I mean, it makes me think that he was actually thinking about what would look good. And we switched to black on this one. This one's my favorite signature, this black one in the gray background. Plus, it's an awesome picture, and I'm all about the pictures, so there you go. They're all good. You can look at them at the end. And I'm so glad that the contest, everybody who participated, and that went off pretty well. Sorry to those of you who did not get in your comments on time. Maybe next time, okay? And thank you very much for watching. See you next time.